the moment you've crossed the first trimester, which is like 13 weeks, you've overcome the most challenging aspect of pregnancy, and now you're breezing into the one which is like the relatively more comfortable part of your pregnancy.
Wow.
So all the nausea, vomiting, and that you would have experienced in the first 3 months would now start reducing. So you will start feeling much better. So physically, of course, this is the time when you start gaining a little weight, because now you're able to eat. So that will be evident, that some kind of weight gain. So if you start physically from head to toe, I would say there's not going to be a lot of difference, but this beginnings of whatever changes happen during pregnancy will be evident as the second trimester starts. So the hair sometimes starts, there's a beautiful growth of hair in many patients. The face starts looking very radiant.
Yeah.
Okay, and sometimes there is little pigmentation, increased pigmentation, which can happen in some girls, some women over the cheek, which is called as melasma of pregnancy, which would start after the second trimester, and it will progress into the third trimester. Then hyperpigmentation over the body, so around the nipple, in the midline, you have a small pigmentation called as linea nigra in the midriff. Okay. And overall, sometimes there may be a little darkening of the skin, which is a part and parcel of pregnancy changes. As we progress further into the second trimester, a bump will be available, will be visible.
A little cute bump starts.
Yeah, because after the first trimester, now the uterus starts growing into the abdominal cavity. So, depending on how thin you are, the bump will be readily visible at that point of time.
Okay.
But that is the other thing. And physically, of course, because of the pressure of the growing uterus on certain blood vessels, there may be other changes like a slight swelling of the feet, or if there are already some varicose veins problem, that may become more prominent. So these are the physical changes which start in the second trimester. Of course, these are the objective ones. Subjectively, of course, the woman will start experiencing the movement of the baby. So something called as lightening, which starts around say 16, 17 weeks. If she is a second time mother, she would find that familiar, and so she will know it earlier. But otherwise, for a first time pregnant woman, it will start around the 5th month, where she starts feeling the movement of the baby within her.
Right.
So these are the physical changes that happen.